plan for today was to do a wee spin and do another Backroads video. I'm still going to try and do it, but I'll have to come back and remake it at some point because it is windy as hell. So there's no danger of we'll get the drone up and get the shots and stuff I want. So let's keep going and we'll stop at the Gordon Arms and I'll tell you the plan. Look how high the water is. Usually when we come through here in the summer, that's just a wee burn. So that's the Granites Road. We've done this before on the Africa Twin, so I'll put a link to the video. This is a great road, really nice. Quite bumpy, but it's a good spin on the bike. When you hear the wind, it is windy as fuck. It's battered about on the wee F650. It's actually proven to be quite a good wee bike. It's quite enjoyable. Handles really well for what it is. You know, it's obviously fucking the guy in Panigale, but jeez, oh man, I'm getting battered. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's so loud with the wind. Getting battered, senseless. Quite exposed in the granites because there's no trees. The wind just batters through. Feels like we're doing 90 mile an hour, we're doing bloody 55. Man, if we were on the Monkey today, you'd be lucky if we were hitting 30 mile an hour in here. It's that windy. So that is the Gordon Arms, and if we go, see the signpost says, if you head along that way, that's St Mary's Loch, that is Estill Muir up that way, Sammy-Ling where we've been before, but we are heading in that direction, along that road towards Selkirk, where this van's going. I have a new sponsor on the channel, Beeline. So I'm going to use my Beeline, this is the Beeline Moto 2. I'm going to use that to record where I've been so I can share the map with you. Kicking on. Yeah, so hit record. This will start recording the journey and I can ping the map up at the end and you should be able to put it in your own sat nav or whatever. So this is a really short wee run today, a tiny wee bit of road, but it's worth, and while it may be short, it's definitely worth putting on your map or places to places to ride. There's no bad roads take you to it. These roads around the Yarrow Valley and Ettrick Valley and stuff in the borders, absolute dynamite. Really good biking roads, and sadly they're a bit over popular. That's why there's now 50 mile an hour speed limits, because people were enjoying themselves a bit too much and throwing themselves at the scenery. And I mean, I've actually seen it. I was down here one Saturday and I seen there was two bikes who had clipped each other having a head on. They were both okay, but while we were mucking around and having taking photos and stopped at the Wee Glen Cafe, which is down the road, an ambulance showed up twice. So I just have your wits about you. As I said before, we'll come back and revisit this this run because it's a cracker, and I'd like to get the drone up and get some drone shots. This wee place is called Yarrow Feus, Feus, F-E-U-S, don't know how to pronounce it. So Gordon Arms, Yarrow Feus, then just up here there's a turn off to the right. It's stunning scenery though, I mean, it is. It's such a nice place to have on your doorstep to ride about on. See the deer? See it? Within across the field. Usually if there's one, there's another. Cool. So when you get to this bit here, now keep an eye out, because this is a bit of a dodgy junction. We are taking a right, but as I say, take it easy because people can ping around here. And we are heading up here. And this is Witchie Knowe. Now, I don't know how Witchie Knowe got its name, now. I tried to look it up, couldn't find much online. I've asked a few folk that might know, a few local guys. So when we revisit it, hopefully I'll be able to tell you why it's called Witchie Knowe. Another wee single track road that's is popular with push bikes as well, so in the summer it can be quite busy with those guys. I mean, it's not a mountain pass, but it's quite a climb. What a view though, eh? You can see right down the Yarrow Valley. I found out about this road through the local Classic Bike Club. There's a guy, Dennis from the Classic Bike Club. Big thanks to him for showing me the Witchie Knowe. This is the top. Now I don't know why it's called the Witchie Knowe. I don't know if there's a fort here or something, but you can feel the wind. I'm not going to put the drone up. I might try and get the bike to the top. We'll go up to the horse track. So this is the top. You can see how windy it is. It is blowing a gale. Cracking view though. But you can see the road winding all the way down the other side. Oh, and it's that windy, I can barely hold the wee camera. It's seriously fucking windy. Holy shit! This is windy as anything. There's no danger of even really trying to get the drone up here. So we'll keep going. Look at the wee bikes getting blown about. Hope it doesn't get blown over. Come on bike, you'll be okay. Right. Come on little bike. Oh man. It is so much camera just down a little bit. Oh, fucking hell. We'll come back in the summertime and we'll do the 3 locks run and this, and we'll make it in one video. If anyone wants to come with me, let me know. We'll make it a day out. It really is, it's a cracking run. So there's not really much more to show you. This is it. It's just another one of these really good little back roads that folk don't seem to know about. I mean, I never knew about it until a couple of years ago, and honestly I've been riding down here for like forever. And it is a wee pass, it's cool. Nice little twisty pass, and it's only, so today's run's only going to be like 10 miles maybe at a push. We've done 6 by the time we came to the Gordon Arms. But if you get to the Gordon Arms, you won't have done a bad road to get there. All roads leading to the Gordon Arms are really good. I've never been to the Gordon Arms for food or anything, so I don't know what it's like as far as that goes. But to drive to it, or to ride your bike to it, it's really good. We're actually really lucky because this whole area, like around, I've seen it in other videos, around Yarrow Valley, Ettrick Valley, sort of St Mary's Loch, into the 3 lochs. It's popular, and it is getting more popular, and I'm not helping with making these videos, but it's a really good place to come and ride bikes, because it's not rammed with camper vans like so much more of Scotland is. I mean, you've got great scenery, and there's, you know, good wee cafes and pubs and stuff that stop for food. I'll put a link up to the Beeline map, and you can follow it too. Quality. Right, I'm heading back to Selkirk now, and then home. So here we go, a whole, it's not even 8 miles, 7.8 mile. We are open, another nice wee pub. I'm going to go and get an alcohol-free beer. Right, thanks for watching. I will see you again next time. Short one today, we'll get more longer videos out soon. Catch you later on.